Hello and welcome everyone. My name is Amit Patel and you are watching the show Musings with Software Engineers. Sir, can you give me motivation to crack product-based company? I'm preparing for years but I'm not able to crack. So which company, Sridhar, are you working for? Sridhar Raju, you are in Capgemini. You want to go from Capgemini to a product company. So Sridhar, see, look at this. I don't know your reasons for going from Capgemini to a product company, but I assume that you are going there because you feel that the salaries are high in product companies, which is true to some extent. Okay, which is true to a lot of extent. Services companies will have little poor salary because of the number of employees and everything. Okay, but not that people don't get good salaries in services companies. Otherwise, services companies would not have been able to build such a huge uh, company with 4 lakh employees, 2 lakh employees. It would not be able to build it unless they give good salaries. So they also give good salaries, but yes, product companies to attract talent, and because product companies are smaller and product have lot more profitability, so they are able to afford higher salaries. Okay. Now, if you want to switch from Capgemini to a product company, first you focus on the technology stack. For example, you want to focus on Java or you want to focus on technology stack of JavaScript, all these mean, mon, etc. You want to focus on the technology stack of web development using Python or web development using Java, okay? Or you want to focus on the Microsoft technology stack dot C sharp or whatever, okay? Now, in that, one, you need to know the basic programming really well. Second is you need to learn data structures really well. Third is you need to learn design patterns. You need to learn design patterns which are used to build any kind of a product. Okay. So for example, MVC pattern, okay, model view controller, MVVM pattern, model view model pattern. So you have to learn design patterns really well. Okay, so pick one programming language, and then once you learn these things, then you target the product companies for that particular programming language. Okay, another thing you need to do is get the domain knowledge of the companies you are going to target. For example, you're going to target a retail domain. For example, you want to go and work in Flipkart. Okay, Flipkart is a product company. So if you want to work in Flipkart, then you have to target the retail domain. What will be the application development for a retail company look like? So you have to understand how the retail business works. Okay, if you want to go and work for a CRM company, then you have to understand the domain of CRM. Okay, so within Capgemini, whatever domain you are working on, you focus on one domain, and within that domain, okay, you learn the programming language, one particular programming stack, technology stack. I'm saying one particular technology stack really well. It can take 6 months, 1 year, but learn it really well, and then you focus very pinpointedly only to those product companies which are on that domain and that programming language, and you will be able to get a job easily. Okay, and you can come here and tell me once you get the job, because that is the easiest way to do it. Okay, see, when you come from a services company, your knowledge is used broadly, very broadly. In a product company, what a lot of depth of knowledge is used. Okay, because you have to understand the technology stack so well, because you may have to build the front end, you may have to build the back end, you may have to understand how networking works, you may have to understand how database development works, you may have to understand a lot of different things which is different from services company. Okay, so you will have to do that. Thank you very much. Live starts every Thursday 9:05 p.m. Make sure you check out my program A Players. You can enroll into A Players. It will help. For experienced people, this is a must if you want to grow within your company. Next time, certainly I will take up your questions. Thank you very much.